Come. Come here, girl. Come here. I'm talk about something. Okay, no one knows the neighbor when so love here. Every time we chat, she here. If one pin drop in the house, ever here, so me tell you what you say. Me know say you're young, right? And you know say we have to eat. And you say, Mommy, you're Christian, so certain things we can't make she hear and know. So I go, you see, I'm 15 now, I want teach and show you the ropes them. You see the type of job what me do? It kind of too much for me hand now, cause too much people business. Me head start to hurt me now. So I go release some pan your big head. You understand me I say now? Alright. Go up the road up the song. Me know, really. Ever the pan a stretch, you just go up. No tap walk and place in your office here, cause she ever the pan the road they are fear road, they mark road. You might not see it there, but you up there. Go up there and tell Riri say, Manda, they take her man. You see if I do that good, that would benefit me and you will get pay, we get money. You understand?
But that's not lie.
Hello. I work. No if I lie or a true. You know say I lie me I tell. Another type of work. Me explain work to you. Me tell lie and me tell the truth. But me know say man after they have some business with our man and we are gonna make sure know before it even happen. Make me know the future. I can tell the future. Just like how me tell say me know say I go do it. So go up there and say to her, say, you know if you do mix up, do something good, you understand? Just say something, just do it good enough. Say it make it sound believing.
Yeah.
Say it like you know it. Say it like you see that. Yeah, can't see you see the two yeah. No say me say you know. You say you see them. Don't call me name up there no. And say I send you up there no. Say you see them.
Yeah.
Good. Go on, hold on, come back.
Okay.
Me wait for you. Remember mama.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Me wait for you.
You know how long this I gotta test have me up. Speaking of her, girl, look how long you have me out as a sit down, how long. You could call me up here because sit down. No, I mix up my country and mommy and Christian and mommy and go on that. What kind of mix up you could have possibly have to come tell me, you know?
Tell us, I know, but I tell nobody, and me tell you, you know. One day, you know, girl, Missy Manda come from over your man yard, you know.
What you say?
Like, you know, here, Missy Manda come over your man yard.
Which Marga? Miss Amanda, the Marga girl, black and...
Yeah, see you one day.
Look over my man yard. She brave me.
And that me I said too. She know say you're mad girl.
And that she fi know. More see her. Anyways, me go walk down on the road and see me bucky girl come on know why she a go and me go over my man yard. So, bad up a crime. Manda. Me they know say how you did stay. I'm your friend. You really call me friend and you go take me man. What you doing me man girl? I say you did stay. What you talk about? I say you did cold hard and tan girl after me introduce her to me man you gonna take me man behind me back. Who tell her that? Titi tell me a while I go up there so me say me a walk come down for the way cause me must see you. Girl I say you tan. I really follow Titi. You know, sister Titi jealous of our friendship. Girl, so what they do over my man yard? What part of me over your man yard, girl? What the night you the cross fence to go over my man yard?
When you so easy me over your yard, a matter of fact.
The girl said she a walk about her business, right?
When?
She never tell me when. She just tell me say she stay with me. She over my man
I
yard.
just quick to believe she over me. You know, say a little pity that.
Mama,
She have a little brain.
so what you did the last night?
Party me did the last night.
And I climb fence to go over my man yard?
Me look like I can climb fence.
Mama,
What part me good? What part of me look like
we
we
don't
can...
want to take something. We don't want to take something. What it tap you?
Wait now, when me want to take something, me know where to go. Why the hell me go over your yard? Me have something over your yard?
You fi know, you know. And you fi know, cause any day me catch you with my man, I done it done. Me can't be say me and your friend. But you fi know, cause me a good on your own. Me want to see you with my man and you will see something.
Me have to see the girl there.
You don't go and go look for her.
Hello, yo, no move and muscle, cause me well want to see you. Cause you're too bright now. What you gonna tell Riri say?
Me not tell you nothing, you know. I say that's me not tell you nothing.
Well, me just see Riri a while ago. And Riri tell me say
Even though me not even sure that's the case no. But anyways, Riri tell me say you see me I come from over Riri man yard.
Me?
How that go?
Me?
No, me.
If I pretend I see you Gary man yard.
You see you little bit of mix up, you know. And a long time me know, you know, me just pretend as if me don't know, you know.
How me mix up?
How you mix up? Why you carry me name to Riri?
Me no care name to Riri. Me didn't even see Riri man. I didn't even see you.
You see if I never one thing, me floor right here so right now.
What?
Fiwa? You still have the audacity for you ask me, Fiwa? After you call up my name to Riri.
But God come here, sir. God me call up her name to Riri, Father.
No, call Jesus to this. Cause Jesus can't save you. Jesus cannot save you. So me would have really like to know why you call up my name. Cause that's all me want, you know. Cause if all of we are friends, so why on earth you go behind me back and chat me? What kind of friend you be?
Me no go to Riri, go tell Riri, say, me see you come from nobody yard.
So I like Riri, I tell by you. So if we call back Riri, yes, so right now, you can't say all the way you just say.
Yeah.
You see that little smirk there for your face? You see that little smirk there for your face? Look at the face, me look like me a laugh.
No.
Okay, me not green, me not skin. Cause me no skin. I one thing me no skin. You know what? Not even gonna beat up my chest, no. Just don't make me hear say I call up my name, cause problem. You see, your yard up there, so I right up there, me I come beat you. Right in front of your mother. And if she coming at me beat her too. Just come up here so fi warn you. You can't say me never warn you. Mark my word. Just stop call up my name. Cause if you don't tap, a problem. You know some head stick, you know. And as if you don't know, I'm mad up here so. Alright.
You tell her?
Yeah. And sticky. And go. So she go to her.
Yes, yeah. No, you're my sister. No, you are my sister, cause so you go to work. I remember now. When I go to work, right? You never tell her say me say. You tell her say you see with the two yard them.
Yeah, me tell her say, me see me come from over yard.
Good. Can make you know this too. You see, no like when you're in the business or in the game. You must be my eyes and ears everywhere. So any day you say Riri you come, you just tell me.
Yeah.
You just make me know.
Mm-hmm.
I want to hear if they go fight for you. But anyway, is everything alright? It's like when the business now, they make one more thing too. You need to know if you keep your mouth. Come realize if any young you used to love yap your mouth. Like a washing machine. Washing machine that spin. I used to love use your mouth. So don't use your mouth too much now. Because I don't want anybody to beat you. Because I'm not going to back you. So you tell me what you gotta do? You do it and make it stay between me and you. Don't make nobody tell you what here now.
Yeah.
So if I see me over there so, you shut up your mouth.
Yeah.
Where's the go? See how?
See I'm blind here and there.
Good. Go on in. So, you good?
Yeah, I'm a good man. You good?
So you look tired.
Tired for two, man. I'm morning me out.
Oh, so how was work?
Hard, no rest for you, kid. Just get up early and I work. But I know say one day everything will alright. That's why I'm top up and rich.
Yes, it's true. Me carry fit up and reach, so life better fit to away.
Yeah. Time I like me, I saw one crown and I know so me I go drop it. Me I go tap it.
Crown that one?
No, I crown me I see. Drop the crown and call my name. So.
Probably I hit there, probably I hit. So you do from, how happened to your finger there, so? I know your woman chop up on it.
No, you know, so I keep on chat about it. I want to look out. So I hope me do again to apply farm and like me a chop off on a lizard and a lizard sight me and I chop myself.
Okay. Sorry about that, but anyways. What me ask you now? You know the money? Because I was saying me I don't know when I was there whole long now. I'm hungry. At daytime, daytime when I got to work, you know. I'm saying I got to work, I come back later night, you're going to feed your woman yard. What about me?
So you eat at daytime? Or what you do at daytime?
Me have to work to eat. When you get up at 7, me don't know, it come like that, me don't know. It come like that, reread what you had. Every time me they talk, it next minute I look, I reread that I come. She ever checking device for you?
No, I don't think so.
Because every time you talk to she come, why she ever come?
No, maybe I just a bad timing.
That's why I bring you over me yard, so there won't be a bad timing when you come over here, no, because she can't come over my yard. First, she can't come is the gate. And she's not no reason for you to come over my yard, them a time here.
That's true.
Good, because me no like when you woman fall back you know. Me no say I have a woman you know, but me no like how she fall back you.
I true, man. I'm look at space more. Suppose me there cheap. You would have to catch me.
Where I don't know then?
I talk to you.
No, we there.
Yeah, but me not cheat. Cheating is when I catch somebody, but not catch me. So I'm not.
Kayla, come here.
Oh, what is?
Come here now.
My girl, come to me up here, so. I feel like I want to back down there, so, because you know everybody here business on the same cabin in this. What you say?
Sorry, man, that day.
Oh, you. Oh, you. Turn around and look over this, so. Look back here, so. You see Riri man over there, so?
No,
To me, girl. Remember tell her say, see I'm blind.
here and there.
Good. Carry top, use your mouth to me to see it won't even reach 1 day good. You gonna carry your mouth. They tell you use your mouth like a washing machine. You know people use washing machine at daytime. I saw you love use your mouth. To tell her tap use your mouth, man. You see Riri man over there, so? Look good. Why put it here? Look, it's a Riri man. Good. You didn't learn. You catch on quick. That's not Riri man. If Riri see you on the road and ask you nothing at all, listen to me. You don't know. You don't see nobody. You don't know nothing. Just have to go find out that business yourself. And all you can do is continue to say a man that they take the man. All you know say your sister they take the man. But if you know, because Riri said to me that day, you know, say you feel like somebody have take her man, you know. So because you have to tell a lie. You understand? So go on back and kick out taboo. And remember this. I know Riri man that you know. You don't even know the man name. You don't know the man.
Yeah.
Good. Go on round. When you come on and run people business. Oh, that's the shit. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's good, man. I'm not chat about.
Oh, she has about she respect you as a brother-in-law. You have a very good brother-in-law. You have manners or something.
Like, I love to hear that, man. Love to hear that. Love your smile bright, sir.
Can come from when me not see you every time I see you reread the back of you, reread the hard about the place, man. Me tell her reread, no, man. You if I can want to get rid of her. You like a time for you left.
No, man, I say that, man. Ain't good enough, but the only thing you just follow me up too much. You come like my shadow, but ain't good, man.
Me know say really good, man. Tell her, you know, Riri is like my friend, and me know say she good, right?
Yeah.
But Riri not get no time. Me want for me time now. I better say no, you go soon tell me see you soon forget because Riri soon start call her look for you.
Well, I know like your name, no still. I just saw in time. But yes, some time I want to look at space for you. And then, but as me don't work, you know, I have to do another type of work. You know, so no rest for me for you. You're right about that, but no worry about that, man. Everything's so good.
So me see you later.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, later. Me hug. I'm gonna miss you.
I miss her too.
Yeah, hello. Remember when you walk out of the yard? Don't walk out of the yard, boss. You walk and look so, because that door was really not over here.
I think you eat that.
Oh, because you know walk, boss said, hey, they walk like you're rich.
No,
like you got it.
But me have to walk rich, me feel, as a matter of fact.
Yeah, man. Yeah, continue. So look at dirty girl around, that's so they mix up in game in the man.
Me want to ask you something.
What you want to ask me?
Where did they one night?
What me for there one night? Which night that?
So, all me here see a lockdown with Amanda. In a dark. She climb over the fence and come over your yard. Me not understand. Talk to me.
You are idiot. What me I do with Manda? You see nobody in the world, much less this alien and Amanda. What me I do with Manda? As you feel say me I just want to idiot. Dog, them will just walk up and down.
Cause he might climb over my fence. I tell you my fence. You come over your yard. I want to know.
Riri, what me I do with Manda? Why you think would lower my standard? Nobody know Amanda.
Because Kayla's sister tell me just not too long me go up a road a while ago. Kayla's sister tell me say he see Manda a climb over with fence. She said she see Manda with her 2 eye. So me want to know. Who take me man?
I like she tell. The girl they are mix up and you know that too. Remember say, she did start the rumor, you know. Say, are you a thief? That man the money, you know. You know remember that? From way back when, she did start them the rumor there, you know. That girl they are mix up. Why you listen to them?
Anyways, I know that me I talk about. Just make sure say, You're not there with no other girl out there. That's all me have to tell you.
Baby, how am I for do that? How am I for there with somebody else?
Alright then, come on.
Never. So that's why you want me down on the road.
Yes, come on.
Me not like that. You give me some space, man. She just a follow back on me, so.
Oh, go on, bad artist.
I pray now.
You know, I say such a short you, but we not get to you.
I lie.
Yeah.
Only am such and such.
I must be boss you talk
Which boss? If you mean I know code.
You remember code, man?
So now call no boss such and such.
Baby, I want you, man. How you move, so?
How me dey move?
You not even know the man, and you gonna attack him. I'm boss.
Come on, you see your woman I walk him I go all about such and such.
No,
Listen,
but I just.
Post me I did them mad girl, I'm just lick you down.
You can't. Oh, you have to do that. You can't do that.
They don't know I'm capable of.
No, me know say you're not capable of that. You're not so mad. Even though you feel like you're mad, you're not mad. So, okay. You can't do that,
I say
baby.
you gonna.
I mean,
You not to know
I
who me I talk about
said
ya.
we they say with Manda.
Manda.
But me they watch
Which
you.
Manda am I talk?
You know which man there, my chat.
The Manda.
When nobody
The
know what?
mattrash. Yes, the mattrash.
And I'm my name I call up with man
If
that.
me no want Manda, I know want Manda.
You go on look a piece of fire.
Piece of what?
Man, calm down yourself, man. Nobody don't want that.
Right now,
You don't
bro.
know that, you know? We don't know all of you.
That girl you trash, nobody don't want it.
But me they watch you.
What make catch a little bit? Alright, if you feel like I'm gonna deal with Manda, why I'm gonna deal with you?
Me don't know.
Man, you expect it worse from me. Right now, you see you call me name with Manda, me feel hurt.
If you feel hurt, I'm a tear down with friends to come over me.
Did you see her? Did you see her?
People say they see.
So did you see?
No, me never see.
So your face so. Me never see, you never see, and people see.
Me don't understand, you know. You know, me don't notice, me don't understand what you know, woman. When you jump, accuse, man.
We not accused of what we see. Somebody say they see him.
Look for Amanda. Nobody now go to Amanda. Nobody know what Amanda.
If you're a man, you go to Manda.
No, me do with her.
So what me I do with her? What me I do with Manda? Yeah.
When our friend, she knew mention that Amanda don't want to we. We know what Amanda.
How you know that?
So how you know say Manda want we? How you know say me want Manda?
Why?
Yeah, baby, it's not even possible. Me walk go down a road. Me turn around. Me see a back of me eye.
Turn around. Me have to watch you because me don't want man to take you.
You must not walk and watch, man. That's a bad habit. That is a bad habit.
But you are
That means if you walk and watch, man, you do things out there.
Me not do nothing.
Anytime you see a woman,
Me not do nothing. You see me? I do something.
me never see a woman. Me just
So
try to show you something. Anytime you see a woman walk and watch a man, then know what they do to.
Well, I mean, I have to talk to her and my man. Which one are we?
Yo, me shout you.
Alright,
Big
up yourself.
Yeah. Your head, girl.
Your head.
Baby, yeah, follow me go everywhere. There's no way I could have link Manda.
You know what me go do? Me go stop follow back at you.
What if I do that? That would have better. But no,
That you want.
of course, more that more.
That's a want. That's
Baby,
you can go give me
baby,
bun out there.
if my poop you half is smelly, you're there right back on
I
me.
know business.
Come on, man.
Come give me some of my money, you get friend Riri, man.
You could get a lesson and learn. Look where you come to. Roadside. How much you have to tap use that? You see me tell you? What happened to your mouth? What happened to your mouth? You love use your mouth?
No.
Stop using your mouth. I'm telling you, girl, stop mentioning him. Just say the man. Say the man. It's about Rita Carrera.
Alright then, give me some money, man.
Me don't have no money. I never get no money from the man. They just go to don't call the girl name, you know. Just say the man, or such man, or the person. Stop calling the girl name, man. No one makes you believe in it because you use your mouth too much. They gonna fist in it when they in there, you chat too much with your mouth. They mouth just loose. Like a loose wire.
Oh, man.
Remember that good?
Yeah, man. Good, sir. Good on that, sir. So, everything good, look on.
Yeah.
Your sister reason don't like that. A son have good sister band. Just like
Good
how me
sister
see
band.
your friend and him man I go down the road, they have a good band.
Which
you
one
know?
that?
Riri.
Cha! She lucky.
Take care of the
I don't want you nothing about that. Not be nice. But it's my business. I that with you. I'm not your damn business. Shut up and go on. Me ask if...
Mama hold on for the man good.
Hey,
Them love them like
please. Please. I never asked about her and her man. I don't want to know about she and her man. Please go on now. Tell us
Why
about
your
people,
sister go
man.
along too?
Jesus Christ, man.
Oh, you don't go on business.
Go on, man. Yeah. Hey, dirty like I go argue with me, bomb.
But you know, say, put up your door.
What me do?
What we are do?
You tell me what me do? Can't be jealous? I'm not going to stop. You never see the two folks little girl go over the yard. Go there for text now and broke in your back. You love over that people business too much. And you just 15 other people business. Girl, but I can't interrupt me even go to more money, no man.
Manda. Oh, girl, you look good, man. You look good. As usual, you look good. How go on?
Okay. Only when you're not around a friend, them you know me.
What do you mean by that?
Because when I run a friend, them you not tap me so.
No, but Manda, if me and my friend them did start drink, you expect me to tap you? Eh? If me and my friend them are all a reason, you expect me to tap you? Come on, man. You know, so me and you good differently. So you have to link me half ear. It's like on the phone and half ear. You link me one away. When you come on me yard, you come on me yard at night.
Oh, it's like you hide from somebody. You wanted?
No.
Are you wanted?
No, me not wanted, not wanted. But me just want to go back into the prop, you know.
Go back in Iowa.
Want some memory, you know.
Memory
really.
Iowa.
No,
Who
that-
dead for you?
The fruit.
Okay. And that alone I know me for. When I want the kitty. That only when I want the kitty, you know me.
Then when
You know how wife me up, but you want the front. All them something me I
man, that you know me can't wife you up. You name too bad in the area, yeah. I'm to wife you up. Man, I go laugh off of me. Everybody I go laugh off of me. Me and you have to just link one away. You don't know how it go, mama. Me give you money, you link me. Go a regular spot.
Oh, so you want life to go. Anytime you want something, you go hat me up on a bush. Me look like dog.
No.
And dog alone me see cock up a bush.
Mama, me not sleep with dog. Not do them something. You're bright.
And that you take me for.
You know me like you. Me love you. You have to just go on. Oh, yeah, go on, so. You don't know how me turn. I'm here, you turn.
You never yet say, alright then, Manda. Me want something. We can go such and such place. You ever want to go back a bush, I want.
Alright, yo.
Me not entitled if you go in our house. Me not entitled if you go in our, if I even want villa. No. Peer on a bush. Where you take me for? Where you take life for? Where you take life for? Where you seriously take life for?
Mama, make it be the first and the last to go into the bush. Just make it be this last time.
I'm here talking. Me not in that today. Either you can go your yard or you can go somewhere else. Me not going to no bush. You know where you me look like donkey.
Alright, if me go carry me here, you have to check me tonight after 2.
You see the same thing? It's like you wanted or something or you hide somebody?
No, man, that you know.
You're there with somebody? Are you seeing someone?
No, man.
You ever want hide and a dodge like you wanted or police around the down? What happen?
Just relax, no, man. You scream, so, man.
Me a scream. You don't want me scream.
Me, you a friend. You
Me and a friend.
Then me, you.
We aren't friends.
We don't know
We are
relationship.
chatty. We are no friend.
Okay, then relax, man. If you're not giving nothing, I just so.
No, you're not getting nothing. Come not going to no bush. Last time me and you got a bush, when me got my yard, I be a ticks. How you take this thing from? Look like donkey? Listen to me, sir. Go all a child's face, man.
Why? Sometimes if you know how to put your hood in, God know.
Right. See, right person. But me, me not see you.
Mama,
That
me
just
don't
a
want you
question.
Of course.
Alright. Me ever come in your yard?
Not that I know of.
No, that no sound that.
No,
Answer the question
you never come on my
intelligently.
yard.
Me ever come in your yard? You
No.
ever see me jump your fence?
No, me never see
You
that.
ever see me in your room?
Me never see that.
You ever see me by your
Me
veranda?
never see that.
Okay. Why you little handicapped girl? Tell her to stop walk and call up my name.
Mama, tell TT that. TT see how they jump over my fence to go to my man house.
You hear them something here?
I bet you what she go put in. I'm sorry for you.
You see, if you had been my real friend, you do believe she over me.
You mean?
See a man tell up right there, so ask him if he ever yet see me that.
Anything TT say, so you go, Mama.
But me did tell us your name, so you go, you know. Remember, somebody tell her, you know, baby, say me not me.
Listen, you see, if me didn't want your man, me would have to jump blow out fence. Me would have just take him.
Mama, me man don't want you.
Yeah, remember,
He talk for himself.
no, I don't lie. Me no want you. Me and my friend no want you.
I like that. He might not own me up in front of your face, but he want me. The vagina time. Anyway, don't worry yourself. No worry about that.
You see, as a fan to them when you cut off the friends. You see, when you come out to me, man, me no want no girl to me, man.
Girls,
No,
you don't have to say it twice. It cut off her right, yes, sir.
That
Hold
if
on,
you
no,
know,
it
no girl to me,
split,
man. No
split,
day, no
anything.
time.
No, hold on, enough for reach us, you know.
He reach there.
It don't reach you and I eat that.
Because you feel like me I take you, I not take you.
You will do it.
Me should I take him then? Come here, get
Remember,
me
say you
me
come
nah
here
do.
to match she no girl that you do anyway.
Don't break yourself.
So,
At least me
let's
don't
protect me, man.
Let's protect your man.
Right.
Your man did tell us you want protection.
Mama,
He did tell us you want
you.
shield.
He don't want
He
you.
did tell us you want shield.
Come on now. You want to take this off, right?
No.
Watch out.
As of
See
now
Miss
on,
Alice there, look pound.
I don't want business.
Let's say that
Make me load you up. Yeah, that's man. You want that?
Yo,
Take your man and go on with that. Go on.
Mama, I say from today,
Come on,
you see me on
come
the
on now.
So I'm gonna take you right.
Come
Come on.
Go your ways, girl.
Right. Today, you can't say something here. You.
What me do?
Come on.
Oh me, classy.
Because of you make you get him and take say palm. Because if you never have pass, you get him with a pass video.
You make people turn in a idiot for telling us everything.
Tell her this every day, maybe I talk here. Never keep them out.
Baby, Mama, I don't want you call me a too mix up.
I'm mixed up with.
Me don't want no mix up people that call me name. Cause you tell like Amanda say Amanda they jump me fence to go in my man room. You too lie.
True.
You too lie, girl.
But I true. Even my sister know about it.
To me, your friend, good friend, and you really, you get really tell me, man, and you tell me.
Girl, me no want come between you and your man.
What you mean?
Me free things say me free things say me want him and me you know say me not take girl man.
So everybody I tell like, me say Manda come over me and me no know about that. No.
And she tell me.
She a liar. Look what
Ah! Don't come sit on lady. You say don't come sit on lady. Okay, so when you get woman bun, hello.
So,
you know it's true. You know it's true. Stop
We
it.
ain't there tapping there. Come see. So wait, who am I give me bunny? Tell me.
Man, that girl, I mean, they want to come here to say me want your man, I mean, I come between relationship. You see later, and they throw on the head pan pillar again. I was son and chat me.
Mama say who you
So me no want come between my
Mama
business.
say who you go believe. Mr. Dirty girl, are you go believe your man?
Dirty boy, listen to me.
Are you go listen to your man where you live with? Aside,
Mama, your friend, me come from so. From school, dear.
Here.
Oh.
Here one. Me not a princess. I am a man. I am a best
Good.
friend.
Because tell us
And you a hypocrite.
Hey, don't come stand up hypocrite no. Move by yourself.
Stop.
Hello. Me not go back my sister. Back off. You're breaking girl.
Stop back your sister. Come
Me
here.
not go sister go for so. Your man don't want you, queen.
You're an idiot.
Your man don't want you, girl. Your man don't want you.
Come on.
But your man want you. Man want you. Girl, so you tell like you have to stand up on your lie, that idiot. Don't be a lie firm.
It's your friends, Uncle.
Go for a while. Woman, no girl can't beat a woman to me. Me and your sister, I mean, nothing deal. Talk firm for your lesson. You tell lie. Stop firm and talk it like you know it. You come like you want to tell lie. You come like you want to keep up and say a lie. But me like when you keep them out and never say me say that's why I love you. But talk more firm. She can't fight you no look on her. God no worry about God. God alright. Come on, come go by the day. Can't have no sense. You need to make God beat your roadside. Fool.
Oh, God. I'm tired. Oh, what's up? Oh, go on.
I pray now.
Yeah, they go on the Gideon there, no?
Yeah.
Tired, done, tired.
And I tell him.
Tell me what.
Tell him my man that just say okay reward.
Oh!
Yes.
Huh?
Oh, wait. We may left soon up here. May I go up here and come back.
Alright. That's strange sometime, you know. Yeah, your man there, I say. Cause he confront the woman, I say. Dirty Davy, tell a woman say, you know what, yo. Tell a woman say,
Sure.
that jumping.
You know, some man, yeah, idiot, man.
No, man. Then, me I say to him, say, girl, of course, me no want you. My friend no want you. He say, I lie, me I tell. Me no know nothing about my friend. He say, my friend only go on like, you know what I mean, in public, but wait till doors close and say, He say, my friend, I beat him down, say, she have the best front in the world.
Me?
You.
There with that, the dirty dog there.
There with him, I love him.
You must be mad.
That him a tell me. I mean, I say, I like
No, nothing like that.
So he say true.
No, listen to me. Who say true?
So she say true. Manda.
You can't believe woman nowadays.
I don't believe nothing what woman say, but we ain't sing
No, that the girl a liar. Me nah deal with that the girl.
No, me know say I'm a liar, but me know say you're a liar too.
You don't believe it?
Me don't believe nobody.
No, man, don't do that, man. Yeah, let me down. So, don't do that. What me a do with Manda? Look how much time Manda passed out with it. I run her like a dog. What me a do with her? Me no want Manda. What me a do with her? Eh?
I know liar.
Out of all the girls in the lane, why me don't want to choose she?
That, but yeah, wonder. Really a true then, I'm in a business and I'm going to say, boy, if you really a clock, you have to control him, cause he look like he ain't cheap, you know. Look like he, if anybody even say nothing to him, he like everybody business. So if you really do it, just him attack. As me say, me no business, but others outside might be other man them we lay down on the mattress might hear say you know, the mattress the right way.
Alright, first of all, me a camera in my yard. You can't go on me yard go check. Man that never walk through that the yard there. None tall. So why would I want to lie like that? Me have camera there as evidence on my yard. Man that never come on my yard. You see that girl there? Me say right now I go and give him some box.
No man, you're nothing from man. You know what I mean?
No, me not call your name. Me not come down, so me not girl, you know. Me just go there and just shut her 2 boxes, like she wonder why she get them.
Alright.
Me just have...
Well, come on. Between me and you still, and him not deal.
Huh? No, man. That's
Alright,
cool,
alright,
man. That's
anything
cool.
else,
What me I do with that?
Alright.
That the dirty dog there.
Big up yourself.
You mad?
Yeah, look, sure.
Then the girl not qualify for me. Me and mine on you. You wait, man, I'm back. You see you? You see you?
Why you call me for meet you out here, so? And me still come and have to turn up here, so?
Me don't want nobody see me here, so. With you. So me just make sure care when me know say nobody now see me. You see, you know, you're a dirty dog. Why you walk and tell people about me here differ? Why you do that?
Who tell us that me I walk and tell people some me you there?
Riri and him man tell me so. Him man.
Call Riri and him man right there, so and tell him to
No,
repeat
me no-
everything what me say.
Me no need to call him because me can't take it.
Me see Riri and him and me attack him and I ask him and if me ever come over in yard and say no. So me tell him
Yeah,
to
but-
warn you, girl.
They say you say. No matter of fact, not them. The man, my brethren say. You say. Me and you are do.
Yes, because the man say him Bridget no want me, so me make it up front.
So you have to tell people that. You could keep it private.
You look, say your friend alone me tell.
Mama, you don't qualify for me.
Hey, me load up, you know. I will load up, you know.
You can't qualify. You don't see your head not so right it.
Then let me ask you a question. If me not qualify, why you constantly a come back?
Mama, it's just a broke. When a man need a broke.
Okay, so you take me for Brocky. Hello.
Oh,
As of
goodness.
now, I'm not
What? Well, nothing.
As of now, I don't get no more front. It don't make sense to come to me. Go somewhere else. Or go a club. No from me, you're banned.
Ban it, yes. Mama, cause nothing left there. You can ban it.
Nothing left there, but you still want to go in it. Make it make sense. Nothing left there, you still want to go in a hit. How that makes sense? Make it make sense.
You see, next time you do that, me go in a things.
And you're bridging, and the woman alone, me go tell the whole world. The whole community. From
Hey.
back round and come back round and go back round.
Oh, shut your damn mouth, you idiot.
You want them to shut up one more time?
You're fool, so.
Me say you want them to shut up one more time.
You don't like it dirty,
Tell
sir.
me to shut up now.
You see that mouth,
Tell me to shut up
You see
now.
that mouth, yeah?
Mr. Popeye, sir, tell me to shut up. You want to test me?
Me done with you.
I won't mind.
I stand today.
That shrimp you have.
I stand today.
You have a shrimp.
Ban where you say you go ban.
You have a
Keep
shrimp.
where you say you go keep. Because you see,
On my front, so me have to keep it.
don't listen, I have no stock left.
You're
I know me.
if you know.
Mama, you go on to where look and I
You
tell
still there, sir, chat?
and I tell my brethren, boy, you tie me with that. Let me tell you something, Mama.
Me did tell nobody say me tie
I
you.
swim,
Me
I
don't
swim.
want tie nobody, somebody like you.
I swim, me,
Come,
I
go
swim
on.
in that.
Go on. At least you asked him you should have drowned. Go on, man. And this really call me a suffer?
No.
And this you call me a suffer?
Mama, I
And
like
this you call me out of
Mama,
my yard for?
you shame me, man. You let me down. Me tell you to keep your mouth shut.
See proper there, sir. Cuss me over front. Hello. Hey. Right.
Is this a big famous artist than what I see? Oh my God.
You wanna be that man? What go you do? See me one night?
Yeah. I'm come to your show.
You come on my show?
Yeah.
Allah ya tell. Which way you did?
In the crowd turn up. And I made that screaming name the most.
Allah ya tell. The girl what you say? Oh, David!
Yeah, me did that Allah. Yeah, me did that Allah.
Allah ya tell.
So we can't get one self video.
You can't get 10 for 10 you want.
Alright.
Take out your phone now.
Alright. My phone screams. I'm gonna fuck up. Alright, I'm gonna turn it around.
Not good, man. Of course, send to all your friends, man. Tell them see you have a picture with that.
Alright.
Alright, big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Boy, that David, you did it again, boy.
Oi there, 1 minute.
Yes.
You think me not see you? First you there with my sister, you there with Riri, I know you there with girl.
What you mean, the person with girl? What you talk about?
The brown girl you there trying to take picture with.
So now my fans that you ask me for your picture.
Oh, so our fans now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what problem?
Me, I go down there so, but catch her. You, wait until them book you.
But you can't book me, you know. You're going like you're hiding from me. You see some fans that take one picture. Yo. Fans that take one picture with the artist, you come on, boy. Oh, you think me not see you? You think like I want picture, you didn't want to. Yeah. Come here, come for your picture.
Hello, girl. Guess who me see? The famous artist David and girl. Guess who? Yeah, me see him, girl. And me and him take 2 selfie and talk, girl. And me scream out and show him, man.
Mama,
Awa.
the man up there so I take picture with you, mama.
Nothing. Awa.
So, what make you there send your two people, man?
Cause I feel me, man, no. Awa.
Okay.
You have a problem?
Yes, we'll see.
Okay.
Kayla, come here quick. Me have something to tell you. Hurry up.
Quiet that. Man, you wake up, mommy. What wrong with you? Get me out, no, man.
Oh.
What?
You know what I say?
Huh?
Me I come from Pearl and me see such person.
Who that?
You don't know such man?
Who is such man?
Yeah, no.
Who is such man?
But you say me not fi call a name.
Oh.
David.
Yeah, him
no.
same one. See my period with woman.
Oh, Riri. Riri, I'm personal. Oh, man, can't know about that.
And a Riri. One browning.
What you say?
I take brawling picture, hug up and thing up there.
I tell. Which girl that?
Me not know a girl.
Which girl that?
But me know say one brown girl and she slim and she come from.
So when you come to my yard, you idiot?
So who me fi tell?
Oh my go to Riri, go tell Riri, make Riri does that. So me have space. You mean about new girl? Which new girl that? How many know about the new girl there? Hello? Take a little maga self. I look a shot to self and go find Riri and tell Riri no. Tell Riri see you seeing with gal. Exactly where you see up the road. You said answer no say you say my take no picture and use the picture but say my suck her tongue. And I hug up. And she lift up the gas and Riri go bust up her head.
Okay.
Work on a chicken yard jerk. You understand?
Right.
So take your little time and walk go on. And go look for Riri because I know you shall come on my yard second. Where you come for your house for? Hello, go tell Riri.
Alright.
She yell that. I tell you about man a dog, but I know what I say. Me say just like going give me bun. Give woman bun, I say me give me bun.
Oh yeah. That's so cool. That's nice.
Riri girl, I know long me I walk and look for you.
That one old TT. What happened now?
See a man up there so I suck out girl tongue.
Which huh? Who, Daddy?
Yes, see man.
Suck out which girl tongue?
One maga girl. You say, like you're deaf. You deaf? I'm repeat for you. Your man up the road and suck out girl tongue. I'm can't care go shows for the girl deaf.
Come on, no.
Alright. Can I come like you know say me head chip. See girl come here, Riri.
Where?
See this a girl me say suck out in tongue. Let's see. This a same one here. Best believe me.
Hi, tap your so. Me here say you up the road and suck out my man tongue.
Girl, I don't suck out your man tongue here.
So where did I do?
But take a selfie with the man I walk.
Come and see the selfie.
See there wa.
Mama, let me tell you this. Me no want to see you warn me man else me a read off your face. You hear me say?
Mama, your man a artist, so we expect him go have fans.
Mama, artist and an artist. I don't want to see the man and I take picture. But it's not easy. Let me give you this warning. Let me give you this nice, keenly warning. You see, any day me see about with me man.
You chit-chat too.
Me say, Mama, any day
You
me see
chit-chat
with
too
me
much.
man, and your face me a tear off. Just believe me and mark my
Come.
words.
Come.
Mama, me even no long talking with you.
Okay.
Kuya. You see if me have a great mind, me just wait for me and you.
Life is so fast, what you think? You told me Melanie.
Tap your so. Which girl you up here road up here so they kiss and a suck out tongue?
Which girl me a do what?
And that you tell me but me get to understand say a
Jesus
picture you take with girl.
Christ.
Yeah, what kind of business are the woman in her? What kind of business in the inner?
Baby, you have to tap me this a little liar girl that tell her things. Me, baby, me an artist. You see me and say, oh my God,
liar.
it's David
Me a
Dan.
liar.
Oh my God, it's David Dan. I say, can I get a pic? Me say, yes. And he said, so. Me said, so in a picture. He asked me hug. Me say, no, come here, one mad girl. And you go here say, me in a picture, I suck out tongue.
Listen. You see that's why me not come and none of your performance them because me head mad. You see when then they don't and I scream out, hey, me feel like walking a crowd and box on everybody.
Start by boxing she, cause I she.
And you force me I go back.
If you box me.
Cause we have to take picture with the girl for.
Me
Me don't want to say with no woman.
Me no want nobody I tell a lie for me. Cause me know every
Me
minute.
don't want to say with no woman.
When me see me too big guy them so that me come repeat.
Matter of fact, me no even want to chat to you. So that you come to me about.
Yes.
So you believe that?
Me don't know because me see the picture so me have to believe.
You see the picture, how me said in that picture? You see me and him kiss in that picture?
No. But we know there. Me feel it. And the girl there.
Me I go on my yard. Me no dep on this. Me I go on my yard.
Okay. I shall suit your sorrow. Kayla!
You get where I go?
He walk.
You walk?
Yeah, he walk.
Good, touch me.
Right there,
Yes,
so.
girl.
Mom's threatening her. Say,
Good.
no, say, no, I worry about again.
No, we can go on the road and walk
Oh,
proudly.
Yeah, can't raise me money. Are you me attack too?
Me want to find the dopey the attack to her spirit.
No, are you?
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me say what I go repeat. Me say me is that hurt
Raise
me.
my money.
Raise which money?
And
I charge me? I charge you, you look for me and charge
but
me.
you see, that's how we making money.
Ah, you don't make money. You don't try to make money off of me because we broke because I don't have no money. You see me I get money?
So
You
where
see
you
me
are
money?
going now?
Mama, me I got a road. Me they go do road. Where else could I be going but road? You just make sure you do it and do it good. And remember, so when you tell them, teach you one more thing. So when you tell lie, you turn up on your life. Her, make you so unreal.
So I'm not turn up on my lie.
I don't lie that I true that. I truth. I just inform
Oh,
go inform.
so if me go turn to that, I did you that.
Yeah, idiot. You are idiot. Go to who and tell who what.
Riri.
We go to Riri for.
After that, you first.
Me first, how me I do?
That's the
Hello. And that's why me tell us an idea, you know. You know the reason why you're not going to be like me? You chat too much. You see the idea, yeah? They're going to bust up your mouth. And when they bust up your mouth, I want to turn up there and laugh and video you. I'm not going to help you. Okay, you chat too much, girl. Which I'm saying, me not take nobody, man. Me not take nobody, man. And that if you have in your head, you look at me. Much I tell you, you not see me take nobody, man. As long as you know yourself, me not take nobody, man. You just know say me I talk to one man, you don't know the man.
alright.
You just know say I have a man, but you don't know the man. You hear? Go on in. And tell me say me go and pan. Tell me say me I rake up the yard.
And when she come out and see you, tell her.
She not come out here to the Sabbath. She locked down.
Alright.
You know say you me I can't look for?
Yeah, I can't look for me for.
Yes, up your yard.
For?
You me I can't look for you for?
Where you coming from my yard? You know, say me Riri.
No, we there in an argument with people now. We not focus on this right now.
So you know that?
Yes, it's true. Oh, me know that. Me not know.
Yeah, but we are say, me no vibes now.
So how was work and all that something there? You good?
Good still, and just some things that people chat some and just mash up my head sometime, you know.
What up on your head now?
Everybody have me just a call up my name. Me wrong things that I not do. Yes, if my dad do it, would I feel one way, you know, because they want to find out. But like, when me not do it and them tell lie upon me.
So what you do today?
Me not do nothing.
One little birdie pinch me and tell me something.
Tell little birdie say, what you tell us?
See I have brown girl, but me not believe that. You're not so stupid. Because you know say Riri mother and psycho, you know one.
Yeah, I'm not so skilled to get brown in. Neither.
You're not skilled.
No.
Friday look pie and just gone.
Crazy.
Cool.
I don't like that tell.
But anyways, I up me you want to go.
Oh, you know.
So where you going to do for turn back around now?
You want to go for yard slow now, but.
Where do you want to go?
Come on. You want to go for that, so you see.
Me here today, somebody pinch me and tell me say somewhere up I saw a girl live.
But Riri, no girl like
No girl like that, come on. Mama,
What now?
me tired we keep on come to you and this is the second time me I come to you, mama. You don't feel like a time for you left my man alone.
Girl, me not
Me no want you already.
But man can't share.
What you mean man can't share?
Can't share.
Make sure saying dead. And you, me tell you this. You see anything what happen yasso, Tani yasso. Not even my friend, nothing know nothing, you hear?
yeah, man, it's still right or so.
Make sure. Anyways, come on. Right, let's say my tan. She's too bright.
So I mean I tell us right now, this should have show in your mouth. Right, that's a brawling.
What?
What do you mean what?
Yo, me tell you this. You tell me come back here, girl, we have.
No, no, that girl.
You see, if we do that up a yard at night time,
Yeah.
never take me to come country. They too us.
Excuse me there, sir. Excuse me, one talk to you.
So you don't know my name, boss sir. I want since my time.
David, Dan, anything you want name. My sister important, me have to talk to she first.
And what's up?
Me have something to tell you.
Oh. Don't move. Sit down, don't move.
Me take two out of that chair.
Come. Tell me if you tell me so now.
You know, said worry, just shut the brown girl up there, so.
So where tell me that for?
Huh?
Where tell me that for then?
This much come for you.
Yeah, idiot. Me a bad girl. Go on over there, go over the yard.
Alright, remember somebody one.
Go over and be go over. Can you girl talk foolishness?
What happened?
Nothing happen. So you good?
Yeah, I'm a great man.
Okay. So what me I say? We gonna cut the conversation short this evening.
Why?
My mother drop down. So me go deal with that. I beg you do. Take your little time, walk one up. I beg you do, go on up.
Yeah,
I will link you later. We talk, we catch up on this some other time. Probably all next week or next month.
Alright then.
And not link me tomorrow. Get some breeze. My mother are important. Look, girl, come here. Shawty, sister, girl, Titi. Come here, girl, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Hey, what you say she do up the road?
Shot the girl.
I play gun? A real gun.
Well, you know, not gonna play gun because she dead.
What mean she dead?
You know, I understand.
You see when she drop a gun? You see when something come out of it?
Yeah.
You hear when it go pour, you see
Yeah.
one fly out of it?
Yeah.
And when they do that, she not see you?
Me did it. And she tell me something, I have to tell nobody what happened.
Hey! So what you can't tell me? I must say me a deep freeze. Me easily defrost. But guess what? You miss it, I mean to that girl. You salamander now. I says if you don't check me late tomorrow. I know I'm not going to go and block and delete the number. I go and get rid of everything. Cause guess what? The way you me love my life, me no love man so.
Make sure you tell you what me tell you.
Hey! Make sure your mouth not go slip and say you go tell him to me I take her money now. If you want $200, let me we give it to you. You hear? Me no want your mouth go slip. Me go down the road and then you go buy one invisible padlock for your mouth. Can me say we go chat. Cause probably she go stick up here and you go chat and call out me name. Right, me afraid, girl. Girl, me afraid. Me go make mommy pray for me.
So me not afraid the man like the punch up at you.
Mama, one thing to tell everybody is, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. I may feel afraid that me I take her, man. Jesus Christ. You know, from when me not see her, from when me and have a good, steady conversation. God, right now, me afraid. Listen to me now, girl. It's tomorrow morning. Don't go on the road. Turn in your yard. Me afraid she see you tomorrow and stick up here. And you go sleep. You know what I'm saying? People slide and drop. Me afraid them all go slide so. So me I beg you to take a look at time and go and get me. Tomorrow me not chat to Davin on time. Me a give my 1 month breeze off or a 2. When me enter me upon when I see him. Me a go on like me not see him. You understand? So you go on him. Me fact me a go him left you out to mommy because you have to pray for me today.
I so hot your food. What?
But then,
Me like how the days them go smoothly. So yesterday run smoothly and nobody not hear nothing. Someone to keep it. Cause me no want nobody know. But what no you know you're not on the road.
no, me not hear nothing, you know.
Okay, me like that. So although they me want to stay in, you know, but me want hear if nobody hear a who do it or what.
But them feel like somebody do it right now.
They feel like a suicide, don't know. Make sure you keep that beat the lock. Anyways, don't road me a walk.
Alright, me I go person.
Oh God, what a sun hot. Young girl, how you do up in the here by yourself? You know you walk on yesterday? Girl get shot, man shot her because of her front.
But unless I go in,
Huh?
chat don't still know.
When by the side go?
Boy, I go tell you, but not tell nobody, you know.
No, man, I'm good like that. Me no walk and chat people business. Me no answer.
You know, I said, though, I'm my friend really shot her.
Huh?
Over man.
Shot her?
Done.
Jesus, please. Everybody I say, oh, a man shoot her. And a girl over man. Oh, the God.
Remember saying not tell nobody say me tell you, know.
So, mama, you couldn't say you did that? And you know, tap her.
What me could I do? Me just see girl flip out the gun and just shot her.
You're unveiling it then.
No.
You're unveil. You know, so this is a prison work. Life sentence. You can go to jail because you abide by it and you not talk. You hold them out, you know.
But you threaten me and say if my child.
Listen to me. I'll teach you something. It's no matter who check me in life. You see them check me today, and you not talk, they might come for you somewhere down the line because they go feel say you go talk. So it makes sense you talk. But you don't go to the smaller heads them. You don't go to the smaller police them, because if you go to the smaller police them, that's where your life in a danger. You go at the bigger head. Inform it to the bigger head. And you try to go to the government them themselves. Simple as that. You have to help clean up Jamaica. You can't help bring it down because they not help you help bring it down, you know. Cause all along me I say, a man shot her. She con man and take man money, a man shot her. Me never know say a man shoot her, you see it? We are judge people the wrong way. That's why sometimes when people missing, we are say a man yard then gone. We should not think and say something wrong at the yard, although somehow no bad. When you take up on yourself, yeah, boo, me now bother go to school, me just go like me go to school, yeah, I bring extra clothes, and that you know do somehow I do. Look at my niece. Every Friday she no wear no jaws to go to school, you know. Me yes, she in a bus. Until she a belly now. She regret it and sorry. So no follow them. So you see company where you're in, you better leave it alone.
Yeah.
You say go see yourself down there so.
Yeah.
And look up. In the air. And can't talk, can't move. Just your spirit and look up.
Yeah.
You understand? We're not sure if you go to heaven or hell. Because I feel like a hell you go because you cover down crime. Me not keep my mouth still. Me not gonna tell nobody because me not want nobody kill me.
Yeah.
Me love my life. So you take a look, you see me? Okay, good. Take a look at time, go on. And watch the road, because man, good ass in the bush there. Yes, them a murderer. Whoa. Murderer.
Hello, sir. Stop there.
Huh?
And what kind of word and a song that you the job for me?
So me can't sing again?
What you know about me?
When you talk about me, I sing me song. Me say them a murderer. Whoa.
So when make a answer see me start chat about them a murderer?
Mama, let me tell you something. I write my song, you know. I look in my phone and write my song and I say, whoa. Them a murderer.
After you're an artist, I want artist me know and I'm a man. You're an artist, so what you mean?
So what are you man alone can sing?
Me say what me say already.
Cut the foolishness, mama.
What you mean?
Stop it. Me not like your style. You see you?
You the pass when they walk on
Me
the
don't
chat
know nothing
road.
about you. I write me song and me I said, them a murderer. Whoa. Eh? As simple as that.
I try to make sure, but then what say? No, say nothing. Bye.
Oh,
I'm not
God.
trust you.
Mama, you have something to hide?
I'm not a thing I hide, sir. Bye.
Bye-bye, yeah. Yeah, man, bye-bye. This is a murder. Yo, I want police hold him, you know. I told me the police informer, you know. Them lucky. Because if you go to police right now, police lock you up. Why me I tell you? Them a hit. Oh, God. Yes, Father. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Morning.
Good morning.
No,
I do continue.
And then my life you want to live. The power road I eat chips and drink juices. Eh?
So how am I supposed to live?
You can't cook.
Listen to me.
You can't cook.
My mother do the cooking. My mother don't cook for a morning, so I have to go and munch pan them, yeah.
Anyway, that's what I want to talk to you about, you know. Something very serious.
What?
It's not dangerous, but it's dangerous.
Okay, what happened?
Your sister don't go to prison.
What she do? She thief something from you? Go to mommy if she thief nothing. Go to mommy what the thieving part. I can't even go the thieving part. Go to mommy about the thieving part. I beg you do. Go on over there, so, and tell mommy say she thief from you.
No.
If she tell lie for you, go over there, so. Go tell mommy say she tell lie for you. You know
And that she do.
How she do? She lick your run? Go tell mommy wait for that till when she a pass, I can lick her back.
Why you not listen? Why you learn? She involved in a murdering.
You hear what you say? You hear what you said to your mouth?
Yes!
What you said to your mouth a while ago?
Shh. No say me say.
You know say you say.
But you see the brown girl. Where you hear about one brown girl yesterday? We dead? As in D-E-A-D? Me hear say your sister Riri go shut her.
Who tell her that?
Huh?
Who tell her that then?
Your sister tell me say Riri shut her. But me know say I must be two of them pull the trigger.
Jesus.
I must be two of them pull the trigger.
That little washing machine more girl there.
What do you mean?
You see how people use washing machine and laundry often? And so she love you with her mouth. Who send her up the road to go chat that? tell us if you go
Me see her, and me say to her, I say, no, listen. I said to her, I say,
You better not want ball.
ball for. And you go to prison. And she go to prison.
If she tell you that, what she won't tell Riri?
No, that's how we tell Riri. Tell Riri what? Eh?
Boy.
Listen.
When I tell him I never can keep him up, I if you're a motor washing machine or you're a motor dryer.
No, me not chat people business. My mouth seal. You can't tell me anything.
My sister tell me, say, one day my sister say, you're a boy up the road with my brown girl. And then my sister to go tell Riri. And after my sister tell Riri, a couple bit after, me hear to the girl dead. My sister tell me, say, see her with her 2 eyes.
So, you involved in it too?
No.
So you tell your sister go shoot her so you can get the man?
No. Me tell my sister to tell Riri, so Riri could have focused on she.
Yeah. Because shoot her and you get the man.
No.
You're very wicked too, you know.
Jesus Christ.
You feel good on too.
Good on where?
You feel
Me
calm
want
down.
the man, me never want him. Me tell the man, I don't want him. He call me this man and I decline the call. Me no want to see him. Father God, me a burn up. You feel like, is the fire right at all?
Listen me.
Is the fire?
You see me?
Me no see you, you never see me, you never tell you nothing.
My mouth seal, my ears cocked, me blind. What me I beg you do? Me can't use the eye if you walk, go down the road. Huh?
Those are instinct. Go on. Remember the road. Jesus Christ, I'm not going to get a job so much, you know, man. Alright. Me a go get me, yeah! Watch out. Jesus Christ. Hey. Hello. Boy. David, listen to me, David. Listen to me. Listen to me carefully. How much time me tell you if you don't call me phone, stop calling me phone. Listen to me. It no matter how much I love you and I respect you and I want to be with you and I want to offer myself, I beg you to think we get a space, if we get a break. Cause me believe say something go happen, but me no want it happen to me. Rather me mother I go and make prayer for me. And that me I tell you hear me I say? Hello, don't question me. Do not question me at all. Me I beg you do. Tie up your watchdog. Don't make your watchdog get out of hand, here. Come, listen to me. Listen to me. And get me ignorant. Don't come here and after you left work. Turn your yard and go on home to your watchdog. Here? I beg you, don't leave me alone. In Jesus' name, I beg you. Hold on there, because I think I'm going to ring off somebody more. You can talk to Mr. later. Oh, you're so. What me teacher say?
Oh, you can't deal, mister.
What me teacher say?
Keep my mouth shut. See, I'm blind here and there. None of that tell me.
You go period this morning, go chat to girl.
Me not say no.
You know see Papa up the road. You know see Papa washing machine.
No.
When you go up the road, go chat to little girl.
Simply, man say if you not hear about a girl with dead, you see me? And then me simple say, yeah, me here. I'm not gonna sleep.
Hey.
And you say, you know what, tell nobody.
Jesus. So girl, you take me feet. You take me feet, little girl. Little girl, you take me feet, you know, girl. Tell me how you say go on the road. After I warn you, say, you have to use your mouth. You think you come back in our yard, girl? Eh? You can't find him, call up people near you, see nothing, girl? You, when you come back in our yard, yeah, you know who's in the power road. You can't find me, chat. Jesus Christ, Father God, help me, God, help me.
Yes, you papa, you me a look for you whole long.
How want me do now?
How you figure go tell my sister, say, me tell you. Me not tell her to nice. I like to chat now.
Me?
And that she come to me and said, I lick my palm my hand.
Mama, me no see your sister a Sunday, I saw me a walk. Me no see your sister.
So how that reach back her ears?
My sister try to pull some stunt by you. You feel like say me chat too much?
But she said Popeye.
No, I whole heap of Popeye there. You have Popeye news link. So I can't me. I can't me. After the news link, cause the news link know too much people business. I couldn't me. Cause me and the news link do not work. You notice him name Popeye? News link, right? Me name Popeye. Me not have no news link.
But the music never depend on your papa alone, she say.
So you really believe your sister over me?
So what the girl leave me for?
Me-
And you alone, me telling her.
Me would have let you down.
Me no know.
Mama, let me tell you something. I don't ready for dead yet. Right? I don't want to end up like that girl who dead yesterday. I want to be the more I live to see 150. More I live to see my great
You can't do integrate them now.
grandchild. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Me don't want to like a uno. When that show no life like that, shoo! I don't want that. Me want when they go to heaven. Me can't say yes, me feel at rest. Me don't want to go to hell, mama. Me not do them something, me not even farmer. So you and your sister have to start out that and find out what really happened. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Me not in that.
So who would I hear when time say to you? No, me alone the upper road.
Mama, bush have ears, right?
Mm-hmm.
Bush have eyes. Bush have mouth. So if you say something yes, so and your sister walk past it, the bush will go and start so coming out her head. And I mean, people can have bush too. And listen, you have to understand life. Sometimes you know Jamaica turn.
Mm-hmm.
The people that mix up and gossip, right? Where in Jamaica you ever go and find mix up?
No way.
Exactly. That me I try to show you.
But
Say,
this a life and death situation.
that's why, mama, I have packed my bag. That's in case anything happen. Me took the highway.
So you can't carry me.
No, listen, go on to your sister. Go and apologize to your sister and tell her I said don't call me, tell her I said don't call me name again.
Oh God, Father God. As I say, God, guide and protect me and cover me, God. I don't want to be like that brown girl. Mm-hmm.
Kayla,
Abba.
you know, so you shouldn't let me do a car. Papa is saying no see you.
You have a right to say no see me, no, you know, if you keep him blasted washing machine mouth, because it's only work a laundry.
How come?
Don't worry yourself, you know, you don't see me. You have a right to say no see me, because you know say no see me. But me tell everyone you over and over, stop use your mouth. And everything else you have to chat.
Me
If
here.
you see nobody else do this, they chat. You know say Riri do this, do Ray, right? And I alone did it. Oh, Papa, you know that. Oh, Papa don't have time, you know. Now, if I go to Papa and tell Papa, you know that. You chat too much. Everything you talk, girl. Me tell you that you. Me listen to yourself. All you have to do. Now you know, me and David are no business. So you better not go chat, say we are chatting now. Because you see the same from when,
No.
Good. So that means that we're not talking. So we know when you come fast in my business. You hear me I say?
Yeah.
Okay, you can't go on and chat too much. Everything you use is more like a laundry mat.
Mm-hmm.
Everything you chat. You know. I must tell you dirty pen you get it from me now. Father God, as I say, God, guide and protect me and cover me underneath.
Kayla,
Yes, washing machine.
don't call me so. Me not name the washing machine. They say Pampers every ticket.
Me put it on the door.
Oh, me I go look
Move.
for.
Me a squeeze. You blind me. See me a squeeze.
Me I go look for Riri.
Who?
Riri.
Come so. Repeat yourself again another years.
Me say me I go look for Riri and
Put
come
in
back.
another years.
Me say me I go look for Riri and come
Girl,
back.
you know see what Riri got on with?
Yeah.
You know see what Riri do to people?
Yeah.
You know for she do that to you?
No, me what I should get. She not go do me that.
That's the worst thing. You shouldn't know her secret. What you go do, mama? Tell him that the yard. What you go do? Eh? You never shall know Riri's secret. They gone with the girls to me. Be careful of Riri. Don't trust Riri, you know. Because Riri knows that she do the girls something like ask if me not hear about it. And she knows say as she do the little girl something and she not talk. You tell them boy, she friend. You tell me low Davy alone. Low him alone. Me tell her this girl. Tell her this plain and straight. And listen to my read my lips carefully. You see when you go up there, sir? Be careful of Riri, you know. Be careful of Riri. Watch Riri close with the eye like a Riri that snake on the grass, you know. And I want you.
Mama, watch Riri, boy, you go do chat. When you chat, don't make your mouth slip or slide and mention me business up there.
Mama, not supposed to mention nothing about you.
You move right in front of me. Cause you don't work your mouth like a washing machine. I don't need to use your mouth to fucking then. Tell us to use your mouth like that. Why? I never tap another cool shady so. The sun hot man.
Them a murderer.
Oi there!
Murderer.
Why every time you see me ever they drop word for me? What problem? What you hear about? What you know about? Talk to
Come
me.
here. Come here. Me see you?
See that? You see me? Of course you see me. You're blind. You're blind.
Me see you?
You see me with your eye.
I was just singing my song.
You not sing no song, Virgin. You see me? Murderer. Me don't ever kill nobody for you yet.
You make yourself look obvious, mama. Me never said that. Me just a sing my song when me a write. From what you... Me just a sing. Them a murderer.
So what every time?
Murder you for your own.
When you that walk come with your song, you did that talk about them a murderer. Did I do that? No, I will never see me as you starting.
No, me did drop my lyrics, but true, me get a phone call. Me come off fight, then me just say, alright, me go down to the studio, you know. So me say, them a murderer.
You know,
murder you for your own. Go just feel and I go on like say they no own. So me I try to rhyme with it.
You're not an artist. You're not ready yet. Your song they're not ready yet. Cause crap that you just sing say.
Mama,
Crap.
where you come from?
Crap that.
Them a murderer. Murder you for your man and I go on like them live a road. Them a murderer. Come in the street, I go on like them big. Them a murderer.
You're not ready yet.
Stick your gun, take your own life.
Next year, try again.
Let's see, me try again. Let's see, woman. You see, prisoner, miss you.
Maybe
Me say, prisoner, miss you. Now what you do when me a talk about, but me a tell you, say, prisoner, miss you. Anything what you do in the dark shall come a light.
I'm not talking with you. What
You see you? All you do, I go around and create problem. All on that girl picking him phone and live at once in a war.
Go, come on in your yard. So. Boy, me I wonder, every time me man see me man holler about murderer, I wonder what the man know. I wonder if I look at idiot girl TT go chat. Anyways, I see she come up here cause her mouth come like a washing machine. Bombat, rope. See one rope here? Go and exercise till I see the girl come up here. I go put on my tool.
You get the car on the chapter so we get served.
I do right about this. Put on exercise. My God. Oh. What do me and this?
Riri girl, hi Pri.
What?
Then,
Me a friend though.
yeah, then I must.
Like that. You sure say me a friend?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait then. Anyways, I don't know. My father me go over this one. Yeah, come. Come on now. Go on now. Walk up, mama. Walk up.
So make it do it, mister.
Eh?
You make it do it,
That's
mister.
more you just go on. Just go on.
Oh, we have my best to come do.
That's something I can't show you. Just go on, you. Go on. Walk up. Go on. Walk up, mom. Very sneaky.
How me sneaking?
Know yourself. Just go on, mama. Go straight up, straight up.
Girl, how you doing this one?
So nobody now come. Go on in, go on in. come nobody now come.
Girl, how we are doing this?
Sit on there, so. First, I'm going to so. So. I'm going to tie up here.
For what?
Just shut up your mouth.
But what is your father? What you tell me for?
Because you chat too much.
What me chat say?
Your mouth is a washing machine.
What me chat say?
I know like people love chat.
What me chat say?
Your chat say wait. You know say every time me dey walk on the road and me see Popeye in my holler about murderer. What that for?
Me no know.
What you mean by you no know?
Me no know the papa.
So why every time you see me, he must sing about murderer?
What me
And
feel
he is
know?
not an artist. He ain't an artist now. I'm an artist, so talk to me, mama. Talk to me.
Papa did see me and time me ask me if me know about a girl we dead.
And
And
you
mouth
say?
go sleep.
Your mouth slip?
Yes, sleep.
Your mouth slip? Your mouth coming like a washing machine. It just a spin out every water out of it. And that your mouth a do. And know what next thing? Too. Your sister don't know about this.
No.
You try make sure. Cause you what? Mother kill her, you know. But then again, me think about you. I said, me not gonna kill her. Because now you're dead by my bullet. But me gonna make you stay in here and your child dead. Me no want my bullet to kill you. Because you're more boss. I shot me a pray for shot in your mouth, you know. Shot me a pray for shot in your mouth. Cause you chat too much. You understand me? Anyways, you go turn in here. I'm dumb at no nice. Don't scream because nobody not gonna hear you. With the nobody know the round to hear not what you say. Okay? So you go turn here and you go suffer and you go dead. Because you chat too much. I shot me for shot in your mouth, but I know you're dead by my bullet.
Why? My friend when you in here? My friend tell me a friend yesterday. So you're not hungry? Yeah.
To me, go back, Rona.
You can't go lose me.
Alright, let me let you. Come on. Can't come stay at my family house.
Alright. Thanks.